quit. No, I ain't gon' stop. I'ma keep rolling till the wheels fall off. I come from the hood, where they jug in the streets, and they holding they peace, praying for keys. No, I ain't gon' quit. No, I ain't gon' stop. I'ma keep rolling till the wheels fall off. I come from the hood, where they jug in the streets, and they holding they peace, praying for keys. Mama told me to never quit. Make sure you put your all in it.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Leo Rob, man, on the go. You know what I'm saying? Like and subscribe, man. Push the button. It's simple, man. All you gotta do to subscribe is push the button. Push the damn button.
It don't even fucking matter. I'm fire, nigga. I know I'm fire.
In, I go in. I'm a killer that's silent, but this loud is what I'm rolling.
What's good with it, man? I'm back. It's your boy Leo Rob on the go. We got battle rap coming again. Another recap, man. This time it's a Guns N' Roses card. It got a lot of bloody scene battlers in it and other battlers, you know what I'm saying? Shout out Guns N' Roses, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, today we're recapping Bad Life Bird and JBF Dre, man. Hold on, I was watching it again, you know what I'm saying? Let me stop it real quick. But look, yeah, man. One thing I got to get out the way, man. Your boy Leo Rob, he's so unbiased. The thing about it is I like all you motherfuckers as battlers, you know what I'm saying? All you motherfuckers. But I'm going to keep it real, man. I'm that nigga that's been on this battle rap shit since, nigga, J Mills and Mook, nigga. Before that, before Smack DVDs actually had battles on it, boy. So I'm so unbiased, you know what I'm saying? I want all you motherfuckers to make it. But the thing about it is, you got to realize, I am unbiased. I don't give a damn what y'all say. Because I am. I dissect shit, man. I dissect shit. A lot of shit that people think they understand. It's probably not even what the battlers mean. But, nigga, I realize that shit. But it don't matter. Anyways, I got a secret weapon coming up, too. I'm going to be coming with my new recaps with this one. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it done because of certain situations. But it's gonna, y'all gonna love it, man. It's gonna break shit down. I can't even give y'all a hint of what it is because I don't want nobody to, you know what I'm saying, gonna do that shit. But when y'all see it, y'all gonna be like, okay, this nigga yeah, now this shit right. But yeah, we're gonna get into it, man. First battler we're gonna go with was Bad Life Bird, man. We're gonna go with Bad Life Bird first. See what she got.
I got something for all them motherfucking mixtape bars to bar your motherfucking life away, nigga. You got me fucked up. I'm Bad Life Bird. Loyalty in this shit. Cause when you was in the pen, thinking within, how when you got out, you was gonna extend your pen. You called him your friend. But when you called your bitch collect, he was on the other end. Over there registry. You know your baby mama you love so much you give a fuck about? Yeah, bitch nigga. Mitch was banging on that bitch though like he was locked out. Alright, bitch nigga. I done had enough. That's why in these 4-5s I trust. I call them constipation because no matter how much shit I talk, it's gonna back me up. Hey, been here?
Yeah, shit. Talk to that nigga.
That's what tear at Moyniers and rob him. Take that little gram he was copping and stomp this bitch nigga out just for kicks since he JBF mobbing.
Woo. Boy, Bad Life. Bad Life, Bad Life, Bad Life. Man, she came in that motherfucker confidence through the roof. She can do that though. She been in the game nice little time, you know what I'm saying? She got a nice little amount of battles. And the thing about it is stage presence. She has stage presence that's unbelievable. She can control the room with her style of battling. You know what I'm saying? It's not too quick, it's not too slow to where you get bored or nothing. She sucks you in. And the thing about it is, when she say she crafted her rounds, she crafted the shit out of that round. It was wild, man. Bars. She got bars. And the thing about it, she don't have aggression, but she talk that shit though. She will talk that shit to you. That one thing you will get from her. Bars, stage presence, she will talk that shit, boy. It's crazy. Do y'all realize, you know what I'm saying, this round she had a little wordplay to the whole Gundre. That was dope. But do you realize the setup before that? She said she about to take the whole Gundre out on accident on purpose, on accident or something. It's just the fact that she crafted that motherfucking round dope. So, big ups, Bad Life Bird. You did your motherfucking thing. That's the best battle from you I done seen. And I've been a fan. Like I'm a fan of everybody, but I've been a fan of you too. And when I seen it, I'm like, oh, she did that. I told people before, if you ever see me comment or whatever on stuff, I'm like, this gonna be his toughest match because she not playing. She coming in. She gonna talk that shit. Stage presence. She got bars, nigga. She ain't scared. That's the thing about it. Bad Life Birds, big ups. You did your motherfucking thing, girl. You know what I'm saying? Now, we gonna get on to JBF Dre, Country Baby. We gonna see what he talking about, man.
Hey, Dre, I wish he was canary yellow. This blue, black, and burgundy. You built like a certain me. A has-been. Till you had surgery. Now you apply all service assertively, bitch. Certainly. Whatever nigga think this hoe attractive, it's just another nigga I ain't smoking after. I had to put together 2 and 2. You went to school with shoot. I said, oh, it's cool. Might as well bring up that unusual shit you used to do. Like, truth be told, when kids wore the newest clothes and the newest shoes, bitch, your shoes was used. Them few students that was cool with you, that told you them shoes was cool, lied. Like friends usually do. But mama made you put them shoes to use. Said fuck what the other kids wear, girl, long as them shoes was cute. Everything Bird did in that badass life, she wore them shoes to do. She wore them shoes with suits. Any gun she ever shot, she wore them shoes to shoot. Hey, in gym class, she wore them shoes to hoop. Hey, listen, she wore them shoes with suits. Any gun she ever shot, she wore them shoes to shoot. In gym class, she wore them shoes to hoop. And in the wintertime, she wore them shoes as boots. And now it make a lot of sense they can't give Money Mitch this match. Cause that's his cousin. So at first I wasn't gonna fuck with Bird, cause Mitch my bro. And we been calling him Duck since the fucking third. You the one kept trying to pull a no-show, bitch. You got some fucking nerve. I had to be Mitch and her fused together. That's the only way I'm ducking Bird.
Nigga, JBF Dre, man. He just came fire shit, man. Thing about it is the nigga witty. The motherfucker got wordplay crazy. Nigga, he played, that nigga juggle words just And you know JBF, nigga, he came with the 100-round drum, you know what I'm saying? Rapid fire shit. Another thing he did in this round was that the Bird flips, man. Bird, you might gotta change your name because the thing about it is can't nobody else do no more bird flips. What the fuck else can a nigga say about a bird after this round this nigga did, man? That shit was crazy. Performance. JBL performance. They act shit out with them hands moving. They come in your face. They bag up, bring it back to you. The performance is crazy. He also had good stage performance. You know what I'm saying? Performance, wordplay, man. Bars was there. It's like he kind of raps fast. This one of his better battles as well. This is one of his best battles. This is his best battle, matter of fact. Because other battles, he kind of rushed through it to where even though crowd react, you couldn't hear some of the stuff because he'd still be rapping. So he did better on his performance, just as well as Bird. On this was their best match, period. Their best performance out of all their battles. Both of them did great on that. But JBF, yes, he best performance he ever had on this battle. Man, it's crazy, man. He rapid fire bars, man. Back to back to back. You know what I'm saying? It was hilarious and entertaining the whole way through. It was a great match, man. That's what I got to say about JBF, man. That motherfucker wordplay was crazy, man. You would think this nigga sit down and read dictionaries and shit all day. How he gonna put this with this and this with that and this? Motherfucker ain't playing with that wordplay, man. But yeah, now we gonna get a decision, man. Let's see what the decision talking about.
And the winner is...
Man, before I give a winner, man, I fucking hate one-rounders. If a one-rounder is a body, it's cool. But when it's not, I fucking hate one-rounders, man. The shit to me, the winner, the shit was a fucking classic. At the end of the day, best performance and best battle for both battlers, man. It's crazy. It's still debatable. I'm gonna give my answer, but it's still debatable because it was a classic. They both cooked. They both did their best they done in the ring. Out of all battles for both sides, they both did the best they did. The winner, and the reason this person won, is because they went crazy the whole time. No dry moment. The winner is JBF Dre, man. Gundry baby, man. Leo Rob, like and subscribe, man. All you gotta do is push the button. Push the damn button.